and going. Nobody is staying here, so how can?
Yes, what the meaning of member? Member means doesn't matter one people or two people doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We need to join. That's called member. Member means not only NRIs will join, then after they will join, otherwise
Mhm.
forget. And yesterday also they left it. Yes, I need to go out now. 5 days, 10 days, 10 minutes before they left
Mhm.
it.
Yeah, no problem. He can left, but after coming just and left, seeing only two member, one member, it is bad thing. It is humiliating thing. Humiliating thing that yeah, I'm being humiliated by this act. Yeah, we are not enough to discuss. I feel just we are not enough here.
That's called Swarthy people. Yes, Sunday sir.
Yeah.
That's called only Swarthy. They will never feel what's our problem. Yes, they will find us. Nowadays is rolling on session enjoying by his son. So
Mhm.
they always want to advertise. Yes,
This thing is bad. Actually, he's making like a product his son to to do advertisement of his son in the market. Like he is going to sell his capability, his talent in the market.
where is Shreya? Shreya is also not joined. They told us 6 to 6:30 he will join. And I think yesterday was Eid. Yes, sir. So
Mhm.
in the occasion of Eid, each and every school of India will close. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
it's already closed yesterday, but yesterday was also not joined. She's talented girl, sir. She's
Yeah,
talented.
no doubt. She's talented.
Yes.
But the issue is that she got admission in not a good school.
Yes, it's a totally Hindi medium type, lower
Mhm.
grade.
Lower grades. Maybe it's okay if Hindi medium, but discipline should be there.
Yes,
Like
right.
students are there like a bullish, so and they are like लफंगा टाइप बोल रही है उस टाइप के हैं सब.
Yes, first thing is they needed to take admission in girls school, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Only suppose in
But problem is this that there is no person to care that family. Only lady is there. So she had
she has
the mind set up to
no
keep
more idea.
yeah, no more idea. And the second is that she I think she would wanted to get admission in nearby school
Yeah,
where she is living.
right.
I think she would be very close to her room. That school would be very close. So
And
that's why,
second thing is money. Money is also matter.
yeah, money is also matter. Main thing is money. Money is all
Right,
thing.
right.
Yeah.
That's why the reason She needs to leave to Mumbai.
Hmm. If she had money, she wouldn't left Mumbai.
Right. Life is not easy. Yes, sir. Life is
Yeah.
very critical.
At every moment there is task, big task. So
Yes.
ready to do that.
Yes, Avanas told me few days
Mm,
before
mm,
mm, they want to establish this one organization.
mm,
Yes. So they told me after establish one organization, then after people will donate us from USA, UK.
mm, mm, mm,
Because what happens when those people earning money,
mm.
they needed to donate for rebate
Yeah,
income tax.
yeah,
So they told me, Pankaj, don't worry, we will try. Of course, our
yeah.
NASA and Pradhan Modi are trying a
NRI
lot.
NRI people can help, like those
Yes,
girls who are very good in study,
yes,
but they are not getting opportunity to get admission in big schools due to a lack of money.
right. And, and sometimes we see that our NRI has no time, this, that. So if we have money, then we can hire direct trainer also.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So they told me, Pankaj, give me some times. We will establish one organization, like you mentioned here, digital world family, this type of thing. And
Mm-hmm.
after organization established, a lot of people will donate us.
Yes,
NRIs,
yes.
I mean,
Yeah.
at least NRIs will donate us because NRIs has no any option. They need to donate regarding rebate in income tax.
Mm-hmm. So in US also is exempted if somebody is donating the money to any organization.
Yes, 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 yes.
Mhm. It's better
They
option
told me
to donate.
I have no more idea, but Amanas told me yes after established because we are working, we are doing work for not earning money. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
so this is very good for USA government also trying to do this type of thing also. So USA will always support if any organization doing for society. So this type of activity is very good. So we nowadays it's a morning time. We no not now cold. Yes.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा सा ठंडी.
Yeah. Very- this type of cold is good. Yes.
Yeah, birds. You have seen that bird?
Sound is coming.
Crane. There is crane.
Okay.
Cranes are a very big bird. They usually come from a Siberian part here.
Okay. And some birds we also seen in village area. They living in water.
So always cranes are in pairs.
Yes.
Cannot see a crane, single crane. They are
Yes. It's a
always in
group.
pairs.
Yes.
उत्तर प्रदेश का राष्ट्रीय पक्षी है क्रेन।
Okay. Okay. Yes, every state has own advantage. Yes,
Yeah.
naturally. I also message to Prakash ji.
हम्म, बेचारे नाइट शिफ्ट डे शिफ्ट शिफ्ट उसका चेंज होता रहता है।
No, no, that's name is Om Prakash.
फ्रॉम
Pune.
यूएस।
Yes, Prakash ji, professor, agriculture professor. Yes, and same time they told me I will try to join on Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. So what happened here? We seen that professor has no time. Yes, after college, professor and doctor.
या
Here we seen that maximum professor and doctor also. Those doctors join in government is called is hospital. So practically we seen that after government job, they always try to catch money in private sector. Yes, morning and in evening time.
या
So I think in
इट्स
US this type of
इंडियन
activity.
मेंटालिटी।
Yes,
If somebody is going abroad, so see always they always want to earn a lot of money as possible as they do extra
yeah,
duty also on
they
the
are always
holidays.
hungry for
Yeah.
money a lot.
So Indian are not satisfied. Always they want to earn more and more. How can they earn?
Right. Actually, what happened? It's that's called fill in the blanks. Yes. Suppose those people came from village to Delhi or Mumbai. His
Yeah.
mind is also always try to earn more and more money.
Yeah, we are usually saying that yeah, we are coming here for earn. We are not coming here for enjoy life. So we are coming here to do duty and earn much money. So this is the mentality of villagers or Indian people and who are going to abroad. They have same thing, same mentality.
Same mentality. Yes. They think that we need a lot of money.
Hmm.
That's why we need to discuss with Prakash ji what happened in USA. Because Prakash ji also completed Navodaya school. Then after they went to
Hmm.
IIT Banaras Hindu BHU.
BHU.
Yes, and after complete BHU IIT, then
Hmm.
after they went to USA for PhD.
Hmm.
And after PhD, right now he is professor.
Yeah,
A very talented person. Yes,
of course.
but first Navodaya school cracked. Then after IIT
Yeah.
BHU. Then after
IIT.
PhD.
Yeah.
Everything is
Actually, what was earlier IIT BHU was not IIT college earlier.
yes,
Uh, it became IIT college after some time, like 10 year before, for, yeah, 10 year before, I think. 10 to 15 year before it became IIT college. Otherwise, it was engineering college. But it
Yes,
was
Akash ji
reputed.
also told us
Due to it
in
was
BHU.
reputed college, so
Yes,
it became it joined IIT group. What
they
told, sir?
told they, they told us in
Hmm.
IIT BHU they have also no more idea regarding spoken English.
Hmm.
Yes, because language is same like Hindi language in BHU also.
BSU. Actually,
They,
my son, my younger son, who got admission in Delhi University, so he cracked
yes,
the exam also for BHU. But
yes,
somebody advised us you should to go in Delhi because environment is better over there.
yes.
And in BHU, like rural students used to go there from UP states. It is centralized university, but a student get admission over there basically from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar.
Right.
So environment is not best like modern.
Yes,
If
compared to
you are
Delhi or
wanting to
Mumbai,
have modern environment and uh, about like you are going to crack UPSC exam, so you should to join Delhi University.
right.
So there is big difference between Delhi
Yes,
University and BHU. Uh, Actually, Pathikram syllabus is also different. So in BSU University, syllabus is about like factual data. You have to learn facts. But in Delhi University, there is no factual syllabus like that. There is logical. You have to logic apply the logic, and you have to write the answer.
okay.
Different type of syllabus is there in Delhi.
Yes. And in IIT, means foreign professor is also present for
Mhm.
lecture or something.
Yeah.
Because
IIT Mumbai and IIT Madras.
a
These
lot
are the
of
best.
right now, a lot of IIT is right now open. Yes,
Mhm.
compared to ancient time, few IIT was only present.
There are only 20, I think 20 IIT colleges are there in India.
Okay. Yes, I seen the, like IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur. Yes,
But India is a big country, so there must be IIT colleges, about 100 IIT colleges at least should be there in India.
at least every main city needs one IIT. Yes,
Hmm.
I like Mumbai, Pune, Lucknow, Kanpur,
Due
Banaras.
to
I like
seats are less, so that's why competition is very high. So only 20. I'm not correct would be, but
yes,
near about 20. Among near about 20 IIT colleges are there in India. So I think 20,000 students can get admission. So India is big country, so only 20,000 students will get admission in IIT college. So it is not a good situation in India. 20 lakh students are appearing. 20 lakh students are appearing in the examination. Only 20,000 students will get admission in the IIT. So
yes.
this is
So
the situation
23
of
IIT,
competition in India. Yeah.
23 IITs. 23 IIT.
Yeah, 23. I was not sure, but
Yes.
23 IIT colleges are there. So 20,000 students vacancies are there. 20,000 students can get admission in IIT, and a lot of students attempting to get admission. I think 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs
More than 20
students
lakhs.
are,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So ratio is very only, I think only 1%. 1% student will get admission. So that's why there is problem, and 99% students will be taken out of that competition. They have to go to some other universities to get admission. So government should pay attention on this situation in India. Actually, this is very bad. It should be
Yes.
increased by 100 100 IIT colleges at least.
And what happens, sir? 90% IIT students left our country.
Hmm.
So
Because of because of
this is
money,
like
actually.
manufacturing unit. Manufacturing unit. Those our India,
Yeah.
what happened means they are doing to manufacture means they are collecting
Hmm.
talented people, talented students from
Hmm.
every year from whole India. Yes,
Hmm. Hmm.
and after taking admission, or yes, of course, due to
But
bright future,
sir,
they
it
have
is
their
also
more
better. It
further.
is also good if they are going abroad to earn money and they are sending money directly to India. So this India gets forex very good. It is also for India. It's very good situation. India gets forex reserve. A big
But
part
what
of in,
happened, Sundar sir? Next
yeah.
generation, those people, I like Amarnath sir. Amarnath sir went to USA for bright
Mm,
future, for earn money.
mhm.
But right now, what happened? His son will never try to come in India. Yes.
Yeah, he would not come.
Second generation never try to return to India. They always try to enjoy life in
Actually, they should not come here. They should not come here, and everybody who get chance to go abroad, he should to establish, because here is everywhere is rush. Everywhere
India.
is competition. Be- because of a lot of population, big population, and big challenge everywhere. There is no
Yes,
facility from the government side, and only one reason is the sir. Only one reason is population in India.
right.
Biggest population of the world and biggest dense population of the world. So we are, if we are comparing with the China is also a biggest populous country, but China has 3 times more land compared to India.
Right.
So there is not a dense population over there. Namaskar. And in India, we are equal to China population, but land is 3 times less than China. So how can we compare with China? जब जमीन कम है, आबादी
Yes.
उतना ही हो गया चाइना के बराबर, तो पर जो है पर कैपिटा इनकम कैसे उसका बढ़ेगा? तो हम चाइना से तो बराबरी कर ही नहीं सकते। चाइना के कंपैरिजन में हम लोग पीछे ही रहेंगे। हम लोग को
Yes. China and USA
जमीन
also,
के
sir.
हिसाब से सर, तो चाइना का तीसरा हिस्सा हमको चाहिए, 1/3 हमको पॉपुलेशन चाहिए था,
Right.
तब हम
But
चाइना
our
की जो
population
है,
is greater than China,
या
and area is third time less.
हम्म,
That's why the reason. every place we see a lot of people. Means, if you want to go, if I want to go to village, it's very difficult to manage
Hmm.
by train. Because what happened if you have reservation,
Yeah.
but you can't sit on your seat.
Yeah. You cannot
It's a
take
big
journey
challenge.
smoothly in the train because
Yes.
there would be crowd everywhere in the bogie. If you are entering the bogie, you have reserved your seat, but you will not find out your seat. Where is my seat? Also, last year I visited Gujarat. Once I
Yes.
visited Gujarat, so I was returning uh, like this time. So what happened? I got reserved my seat in the train, but due to a lot of crowd, there was dense, big crowd in the that compartment, and my seat was filled by the people. I told them, "Yeah, this is my seat. I have booked this seat." So somebody left, and somebody denied. So there was problem. I have to sometime struggle with them. Then I got my place, but all the way it was difficult journey because AC was not doing good. It was AC compartment, not a sleeper coach. AC
Yes.
compartment, but it was full by the other people. So
Yes.
this is the
How
situation in India.
it's possible? How it's possible? In a sleeper,
Yeah,
yes,
it
I
is
will
possible
understand. But
it is India.
compartment.
So everything is possible.
Yes, those people have no ticket. They reached in a compartment,
Yeah,
and they think that whatever fine they will paid fine amount, but
फाइन मार के छोड़ देते टीटी लोग जाओ उसी में रहो तुम भी मरो जिसका
yes,
सीट है वो भी मरे तुम भी मरो so everywhere if you are going to hospital you will see a lot of crowd you cannot meet with doctor easily so everywhere there is crowd so and everywhere if you are students there is competition to get admission and if you are seeker of job so there is problem you will find hardly job in the market because if there is one vacancy one seat available so I think 50 is to 50 competitor will be there so
right,
if you are getting chance to go abroad you should go
yes, this is really good.
क्यों यहाँ पे आएंगे माथा पच्ची करने 3 गुना अमेरिका ज्यादा है और अमेरिका हमारे एक राज्य के बराबर का सिटीजन नहीं है उनके यहाँ पॉपुलेशन एक स्टेट के बराबर भी नहीं है बताइए वो धनी
And
रहेगा कि
area,
हम धनी रहेंगे
area 3 times more.
या 3 times मोर
Yes,
5 गुना रसिया ज्यादा है
right.
और अभी करोड़ में कुछ ही करोड़ है उसके पास आबादी अब बताइए इंडिया का 10वां हिस्सा आबादी उसके पास ऐसे है कुछ अब वो तो रहेंगे ही सब उनके पास बहुत सारा प्लेंटी ऑफ लैंड है टू डू एनीथिंग यहाँ तो
Naturally, they
किसान
have
के पास
sufficient. Naturally, they
और
have
स्टेट में
sufficient.
सर फार्मिंग is a good business if you are
Yes,
farmer you will be regarded as a rich man in US and other European country क्यों क्योंकि फार्मर के पास केवल 10 बीघे जमीन नहीं होंगे 1 एकड़ जमीन नहीं होगा 2 एकड़ जमीन नहीं होगा 500 एकड़ जमीन होगा 1000 एकड़ जमीन है वहां पे जिसके पास है अब मार्जिन
right,
थोड़ा ही थोड़ा होगा तो बहुत लंबा उनका बिजनेस हो गया ना पूरा सेटअप हो गया
right.
अब यूपी बिहार में किसान क्यों कंगाल है? यूपी और बिहार में जो है सीमांत किसान जिसको बोलते हैं, उसको 1 एकड़ के नियर अबाउट जमीन होगा, ऐसे किसान 99%, 98%, सॉरी, ओनली
Yes,
2% आर फार्मर आर देयर हु आर बिग फार्मर। 98% सीमांत किसान हैं, सीमांत फार्मर हैं। उनके पास 1 एकड़ जमीन यानी 3 बीघा टाइप का ऐसे ऐसे कुछ जमीनें हैं। अब वो उस जमीन से कितना कमा लेंगे? बहुत पैदा हो गया, फिर भी कितना कर लोगे 1 एकड़ में? आपका पूरे साल का खर्चा चलने वाला है नहीं।
that's why the reason maximum farmers sir never try to do farming
They
job.
should not. Actually, Bhimrao Ambedkar
Right.
also told that 90% of people should left the farming. Only 10% people should to do. Then this country will be developed. Otherwise, earlier time, uh, like every people was depend on the farming job. But now situation has changed. Now they are finding the job in the city. They are going to city. So it would be good for India. If somebody is saying me, you should to do farming. So 3 acres, 4 acres land are there. So how can I earn money to stable my family? No, we
Right.
cannot survive. जब 40,000 का खर्चा है महीने का, 50,000 का, तो हम कैसे फार्मिंग से निकालेंगे? जमीन ही नहीं है। कम से कम चाहिए अपने पास 100 एकड़ तो चाहिए ना। तब तो चलेगा, फार्मिंग से भी हम काम चला लेते, अपने लड़के को भी इसमें इनपुट कर लेते। कैसे
Mm.
करेंगे? अच्छा, हरियाणा में, वेस्टर्न यूपी में, वहां के फार्मर धनी है क्यों? केवल खेत की वजह से। उनके पास फार्म लंबा लंबा है, उनके
Yes,
पास
Haryana
में
and
या
Punjab. Punjab also.
हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड वेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ यूपी, उनके
Right.
पास में 100 एकड़ जमीन है। लगभग 55% फार्मर के पास में 100 एकड़ ऐसे मैंने बिग फार्मर हैं। अब
Yes.
वो जो है फार्मिंग का काम इजीली कर सकते हैं, उनके पास काफी लैंड है उनके पास। अब मैं अभी ट्रैक्टर ले लूं, कंबाइन मशीन ले लूं, क्या करूंगा?
Yes. So that's okay. That's why the reason maximum people, maximum farmers on never try to do farming job. That's why the reason they left village for earn money. Like example in Mumbai, Delhi, Punjab area, doesn't matter they are educated or not educated, right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. कट गया था पता नहीं.
Okay. I realized
Hello.
that yes, something coming, call coming. That's why the reason you left it.
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
I am audible, Surya sir. Okay.
yeah, sir. Now okay.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Surya sir.
Yeah. तो इसलिए कोई भी चांस सर पाता है बाहर जाने का, वहाँ जो है इस्टेब्लिश होता है तो वहाँ चला जाना चाहिए. यहाँ से थोड़ा भीड़ तो हल्का
Right.
होगा.
Yes. That's why the reason I told you 90% IIT students trying to leave our country first.
Mm-hmm. Everybody, I
And
think
that's
99% people of India want to go abroad and settle over there because of very problem here. So, but they are not getting opportunity to go there. But if they will get chance to go abroad, so they would go. Hello,
right.
good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Naveen
Naveen
ji.
ji.
Morning, sir. Very good morning, all of you.
So in Rajasthan, late morning done, Naveen ji.
Actually, here the evening is late, is morning is also late. Evening
Okay.
almost 7:30, yeah, 8 o'clock here, and
But the
morning
weather,
near about
weather is cool.
7 o'clock.
Weather is cool or hot.
No, sir. Weather is too hot, and we are facing a lots of problem due to weather, and like the work and all things. We are using the ACs also in our rooms
Yes.
and everywhere, like during the travels and all.
AC is also not working in afternoon time.
No, nowadays is working, but May and June, we are facing some lots of problem due to weather condition is too hot, like 50 degrees Celsius near above. So AC is also fail.
Yes.
Mhm. So, but survive any survive this
We
location is
need
very crucial.
yes. Doesn't matter what the area, but we need to survive. Yes.
Survive for your families.
Yes.
And nowadays, many of project open in the Pune location. So I am trying for the
Okay.
connect with the Pune works also nowadays. Many of development in this also in MP location also.
Okay. So now Rajasthan work is completed.
Near about work is completion.
Okay. Yes, after 2 years, 3 years, you need to change state. Yes,
Mhm.
after work complete, other state welcomes you. Yes, always.
Yes.
Yes, we are discussing regarding abroad versus our country.
Mm,
Due to population, maximum people trying to do work in abroad, not in India.
yes. Actually, abroad population due to Indian peoples also. Abroad population is too less, but our Indian people also visited over there for the works and all things. Then day by day, his population is
Yes,
gaining.
our our country always support, always help to increase population of
Or anything.
any other country.
Yeah.
Because
And also you can
because what
see
happens,
Thailand is also
maximum
working.
foreigner never try to born a baby. Yes, they trying to enjoy his or her life only.
Nowadays you can see Thailand is also going on due to India. Many of people you can see where is going nowadays. I'm enjoy fit of Thailand and Malaysia and वहाँ एक और था ना जिसको वहां पे जाना बंद हो गया था, कौन सा था? टूरिस्ट।
Yes, Modi ji also advertised in India one
हाँ हाँ,
cruise.
मालदीव, यस, वन ऑफ द मालदीव्स।
Maldives president also very unhappy type. Yes, Modi ji advertised. We have no need to go to Maldives. Yes, in our country also a small place is
No, sir,
available.
Modi ji never told that. No need to go to Maldives. Only gave signal.
Yes,
India is also best place.
हम्म,
yes, that's called direct marketing and indirect marketing. Yes, Modi ji
Yeah,
done indirect marketing.
yeah.
They never told to we have no need to go to Maldives, but they advertise
Yeah.
in our country we have a lot of tourist places also.
Mm.
Please visit this place. Don't worry, which place. A lot of people confirm ticket this that, but after advertise of Modi ji, a lot of people cancel ticket of Maldives.
वहाँ के मिनिस्टर से अगर झगड़ा नहीं किए होते ना तो मालदीव का जो है गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ होता। मोदी जी का वो प्लान फेल हो जाता। लेकिन कमेंट जो किया गंदा गंदा, हाईलाइट हो गया मामला। सब कैंसिल कर दिए। इंडिया के लोग जाते थे ज्यादा कैंसिल कर दिए जाना वहाँ पे।
sir, Pankaj sir, one of the kids also want to join with the Roli ma'am, and he is studying in fourth grade.
Yes, so provide to Rodi ma'am contact number of his parent. Then
Sir,
they will
I
manage
have sent
to
it to
take.
you, na, accordingly.
No, no, if you have number, then direct message to Rodi ma'am. It will also good.
Okay.
Yeah, because right now Rodi ma'am think that single class will be always good. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So she is very appreciative to Aryan and he also messaged me, ma'am. He's provide so many like civilization, many of things like USA, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ का history बताता है वो.
Yes.
And also he's taking 1 hour class.
Yes, the students will take advantage by Roli ma'am individual session. Yes. So I think it's good
Hmm.
for students. And second thing is, if for this work I have no any tension. Yes, because it's done by direct Roli ma'am. So doesn't matter we are doing work in office, but I have no tension. Yes, it's done by
Hmm.
individually Roli ma'am. So direct mobile number and mail ID sent to Roli ma'am. She will do the best.
Yes.
Yes, Surendra sir, totally silent at mode.
No, nothing, sir.
Now, yesterday I have visited in a famous temple. So I can see the BSF organized a very good way to like a rangoli and where as well as pandals also a little bit, and he is providing 9 day for the free food like puri, sabji, kheer, no, not kheer, uh, rice and two types of veg and halwa also. So I have enjoyed a lot yesterday over there. I have spent almost 4 to 5 hours.
Okay, so it's done by BSF.
Yes, yes, totally done by BSF.
Yes, that's called interest. Yes, if interested people want to do something for society, they are doing. Doesn't matter his job is in BSF or anything.
Mm.
Due to due to interest, right now I think Ram Mandir is also very famous. Every day we see new news regarding. I also seen one news. It's in a gold written Ramayana also available in Ram Mandir place, right, Surendra sir? I think 2 days before I seen.
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
Yes, I seen few days
But
before.
nowadays, a lot of people are going over there because Ram Navami is coming near
Yes, yes,
at
yes. 17.
so 17. So a lot of foreigners are also coming in Ayodhya on the Ram Navami occasion.
I seen only news. It's above 100 kg gold. It's done by above 100 kg gold. So what happened
Mhm.
when G means full Ramayana written in a gold in in Mandir campus.
Mhm.
It's done by South people. All we know that South people have a lot of money. They are doing great work.
Actually, South Indian people are very much religious people.
Right.
Yeah, yes, sir. How do you can see the many of temple in south also.
Yeah.
Big temple. He is very religious too. Yes.
Compared to North Indian, South Indian people are very religious and they are strictly do all the activity of their religion.
Yes.
They are very dedicated.
Yes. Religious people, interested people, they have money also. They have to do something for society also. So all thing is
Mhm.
merged. That's why religion. Because we seen a lot of Ramayana is also written in Sanskrit or in a lot of different languages in South also.
Mhm. Actually, they didn't left their tradition. They are
Right.
their
They
tradition.
are always try to continue this. Yes.
Mhm. Like you can see in the hotels over there, people are eating their food on the bananas leaf.
Right.
केले के पत्तल
The
पे.
tradition is going on in
Tradition
our
is going
area.
on in North Indian or in North India is also this was the tradition, but we left that thing. You can hardly find out the people who are eating on the banana leaf.
Here, what happens in the we seen in when I was kids. In that time, we are also utilize bananas leaf during
Mm.
any occasion. We need
Yeah.
to told our those labor we know we need this they done. But right now, what happened due to increasing population and banana tree decreasing in our area. That's why the reason
नहीं
maximum
सर, ये
people right
रीजन
now
नहीं है, हमने
trying
छोड़
to
ही दिया अपना वो ट्रेडिशन हमने छोड़ दिया अपना ना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। कोई कभी खाना ऐसा कुछ चाहता नहीं ना, अपना पहनावा अपना सब चीज बदल चुका है यहाँ नॉर्थ इंडिया में। पहले
yes
से ही
maximum people
मेंटालिटी बात होती है ना, मेंटालिटी ही चेंज है यहाँ का।
right.
यहाँ पर मुगल का शासन हुआ, यहाँ पर मुगल इन्वेडर्स came here, they destroyed all the temple in North India and changed all the people's, a lot of people changed their religion, their tradition, their everything.
Yes, now we seen that maximum people trying to ready-made. Yes, they never try to do
Mm.
more work. They always try to purchase as like ready-made thing.
उनका लुंगी नहीं छूट रहा है अभी, वो
हम्म,
पहनने का उनका ट्रेडिशन चलता है, पार्टी में भी जाते हैं पहन के, फेस्टिवल में भी रहते हैं।
और काफी
यहाँ हमें जो
स्टाइलिश
है
हो
अपना
गया है, गोल्ड कलर में पहनते हैं पूरा, वो पट्टी उट्टी लगा
हाँ,
के।
और यहाँ
Yes,
यहाँ हम लोग का जो था
we seen vice
धोती था,
president.
कोई
Yes, one time we
धोती
seen
नहीं
our vice
पहनेंगे।
president. Yeah,
हाँ, हम लोग का भी तो धोती वाला कस्टम था, कोई पहनता ही नहीं है। तो हमने अपना कस्टम ही चेंज कर दिया, अपने रिवाज को चेंज कर दिया, अपना परिधान चेंज कर दिया, सब कुछ चेंज हो गया।
in our culture, dhoti kurta was very famous. Yes, Sundar sir.
यस, अभी तो सिलाया आता है लेकिन कोई पहनने वाला नहीं है, लड़के लोग छोटे छोटे जो यंग एज के हैं कभी नहीं पहनते हुए आपको मिलेंगे।
शादी के टाइम में जैसे नबी पहन के काम खत्म हो गया। Yes.
हम्म,
In that time, Nai was also present, so Nai support
हम्म,
to how to wear dhoti. That's all. Now trending is going on. What's the poshak of marriage? It's a Sherwani suit. Yes, its cost is
हम्म,
cost 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Doesn't matter.
या वेरी
Maximum people
कॉस्टली।
trying to purchase this because
but
they
you can
think
see
that
the South people only take the dhoti kurtas and very simple way he take the marriage.
हम्म, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि उनका जो है अपना परिधान, अपना लैंग्वेज, अपना सब कुछ स्टिक है, उस पे लगे हुए हैं। लेकिन हमका और ये हम लोग जो इधर उधर का सब ऑब्जर्व करते रहते हैं ना।
हम लोग लेफ्ट राइट हो जाते हैं।
लेफ्ट राइट हो जाते हैं।
But South people always concentrate their his mind always to tradition. Actually, what happens Sundar sir in our culture? What happens? Maximum people needs to left our birthplace, right? That's why the reason. But South people also left, but South people left to direct abroad. They never try
Abroad,
to
yes.
go to Delhi or
But South
Mumbai or
people,
Punjab.
South people is very, you can see the very conjuice type. He is not spending more and more the money and to purchase all things. Actually, I have worked many of South people also.
That's why the reason they have a lot of money.
So he is always reserved. He is not.
Mm.
He is he is not spend the money. Even his clothes and his body also. He is always wear the dirty clothes. He is only cut hair by own way. So this is very
Mm.
ridiculous. I can see. So he is saved too much money.
Mm.
Yes. In construction field, I have seen that, but not for other.
ठीक है सर, मुझे जाना होगा अभी।
आज तो
Okay,
स्कूल
okay.
खुला है सर।
जी जी, अभी टाइम
Yes,
चेंज
that's
हो
why
गया
the
ना।
reason now we start session from 6:40, 6:45, 5:45.
या
It's good to utilize our early morning because due to morning school, Sundar needs to left before 7.
ओके, बाय।
Okay, okay, Sundar sir.
ओके सर।
Okay, Naveen ji, we will meet tomorrow 6:40,
ओके
5,
ओके सर।
5:40.